How to automatically request confirmation from tax clients when documents are done uploading. I'm back in the 1040 tax season pipeline. In the first stage, clients receive an organizer and a message that explains how to fill it out, along with other important information. Our goal is to collect all the information and documents through the organizer and then move the job into the next stage once the client is done. To improve this process, we can add an extra stage for confirming that the client has provided all the required information before their job moves into the in-prep stage. I'll go into the pipeline settings and add a stage between the first and second stages. We'll use message automation in this stage, so we'll need to create a new one. The purpose of the message is to ask the client to confirm that they have uploaded all the necessary documents. The key step is to create a client task in this chat so the client can check it off, which will then trigger the automatic move in the pipeline. I'll save the template and select it when adding message automation to the stage we created earlier. Note that you can enable the toggle to set the job assignee as the sender, regardless of who was selected in the chat template. Since we already have message automation in the first stage and are adding another one in the second stage, we recommend selecting the Reply to the latest thread option when setting up the automation. This ensures that the new request is sent in the existing thread, keeping all communication for one service in a single place. If you don't select this option, a new thread will be created. Don't forget to enable the Auto Move toggle. Let's test it out. I've added a job to the first stage in the pipeline and switched to the client view. The client received both the organizer and the chat explaining how to handle it. After the client submits the organizer, their job moves into the next stage, and as a result, they receive a new chat with the client task. The client then reads the chat and checks the box when they are done. On the firm side, you'll see the notification as a message in the same thread, and the job will have moved into the in-prep stage, so you can start working on their return.